Hello friends, it is Wednesday. We are going to work with some contractions with not. So if we have are and not, we are going to say aren't. And the apostrophe is used in the place of the O in not. Did not would be didn't, do not, don't, does not, doesn't, has not, hasn't, is not, isn't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't. Circle the contraction in each sentence. The animals don't have much time. Remember, a contraction has that apostrophe, so this don't is for do not. Caterpillar doesn't come out until the spring. Doesn't is the contraction. We see that apostrophe there. Goose isn't staying for the winter. Isn't is the contraction. Now we're going to write the contraction for the underlined word. The leaves are not on the trees. I can look up here and it says are not is aren't. So it's A-R-E-N apostrophe T. Raccoon was not leaving the forest. Was not is wasn't. So W-A-S is was, N apostrophe T. Great job. Now we're going to do page 401 and 405. So when you are printing the uppercase J, you start at the top, you go all the way down, and a hook. I would like for you to trace this one and make 3 of your own. Lowercase j starts at the dotted line, goes down and a hook, and then a dot. Trace this one and then make 3 of your own, please. And then you're going to copy the words using your best printing. Jack, capital J. Jill, capital J. Jake, capital J. Jar, just, jelly. Judge, jog, jam. John, that's his name, so capital J. Wedge, lodge, jiffy, Jane. Please write those in your neatest printing. Pause the video and then unpause it when you are done. Now we are going to do page 405 for our last one for Wednesday. So we are going to go right here to this page. And again, we're comparing. We're using that ER and that EST to compare words. Tad is the tall boy in our class. So if they're talking about a whole class, there's more than 2, right? So he's going to be the tallest. So T-A-L-L and then add EST, tallest. The fast runner will win the race. If it's a big race, it's going to be the fastest. F-A-S-T-E-S-T. The bat is short than yours. We're just talking about 2 bats, so it's going to be shorter. Short is the base word. And we're going to add ER, shorter. I need some big shoes. So he already has 1 pair of shoes. If we're going to compare them to another, it would be bigger. The base word is big. We need to double that vowel and then add ER, bigger. I need bigger shoes. That is the sad clown I've ever seen. It's going to be est because we're assuming that they've seen lots of sad clowns. So S-A-D is the base word, sad. Since there's a vowel and then a consonant, we need to add another D and then E-S-T, saddest. You walk blank than I do. Faster, because we're just comparing 2 things. Faster is F-A-S-T for the base word and then E-R, faster. The story made her feel even sadder. S-A-D-D-E-R, sadder. This is the world's biggest pizza. B-I-G-G-E-S-T, the biggest pizza. Write a word that is the opposite of each word. So the opposite of after is before. The opposite of hello is goodbye. Great work, boys and girls. If you weren't able to see that, here it is. And I will see you back here tomorrow.